Brothers Barbecue. We are going to eat. What's new? What's new?
Nothing new.
Brothers Barbecue. K Barbecue. Exceptional taste. I'm gonna get this tofu soup and short rib. That is the seafood pancake. Ooh, okay. Yeah.
Oh, I love
gonna eat
this.
a lot of that. I love that. Ooh.
Sorry, looks good. Thank you.
Yum yum.
Yeah, and the best part.
Rice.
This one dipping sauce. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
And the short rib. Good luck to us. Last but not least, tofu soup. Hot and spicy. This is all good. First time here, it's very good. Thank you. We killed it. We killed it. You get your card?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, it's good.
Hi, have a good day.
Okay, thank you. Yum.
That was great.
Yum. Brothers Barbecue.
Brothers Barbecue, that was good food.
Can't walk.
你是里面唱 K， 水水里面银龙鱼，我送阿叔茶鸡汤。